Vibe Auto Valet. Down at the Vibe detailing barn today. Just going to do another unboxing video. Another SLIMS delivery. Had that this week. Didn't open it. I kind of know what's in it because I ordered it. Probably forgot a couple of things I've ordered, but just wanted to do an unboxing video. Then I'm going to do another unboxing video. I might combine it into this one for SB3, the ceramic coating company that I buy my ceramic coatings from. So let's get into it. Plenty of packaging, that's good. Again, SLIMS boxes, branded. I've always said I like that. Nice and strong, no damage on arrival. That's good. So first thing is some SLIMS Fibre Edgeless cloths. I use these for multi-purpose jobs, polishing, loads of different things I use these for. I've got plenty of them at the moment. Even in my stock cupboard behind me, I've got an unopened bag of these, but as I've said in my videos, quite often I'll place an order of things that I need, but I'll just add in a couple of extra items just to keep my stocks topped up, so that in the event of me running low in the van or in the barn, I know that I've got stock in my cupboard, so it's always nice to have that. So it's a pack of 10, really good cloths. I don't know how much they are, I'm not sure to be honest, but I don't think they're dear. We've got chemical guys, signature scent, Incar Air Freshener. This is a product that I've used from day one as an interior scented spray. It's actually changed name from when I first started to buy it, but it's still the same smell inside. It's just very nice. It's not cherry, it's not vanilla, it's just really pleasant. So I haven't actually run out of this. I've got a small one in the van. This is 16 ounce because it's an American one, so this is 16 ounces. I think in the van I've got like a 200 ounce one. Can't remember, but it's very small, but it works well. I've got one of these at the barn, and I've just bought another one as I was running low. Thought I'd get one before I actually run out. So there's that. Got some 3M 19mm masking tape in blue. I just find this stuff works really well. Go through lots of it. It just works well. Again, I probably think I've got 8 in stock, but this was the other item that I added just to build up my stock and create a bigger order for SLIMS to, help them out really, to be honest. And it's going to get used, so it's fine. Good tape. I've got these Valet Pro 1-inch detailing brushes. These are a good staple. Really like these. I use them for a multitude of jobs really, to be honest. But what I am going to try and do, I thought about it myself last week when I was building this order, to try and utilise the same brush for the same job throughout the process that I do. So these I might just use for once I've snow foamed the vehicle, and I use a detailing brush to rub in the snow foam in all the nooks and crannies and things like that, door rubbers, headlights, all those little bits and pieces that we do, because the wash mitt doesn't do the job as well in those little areas. So I'm thinking of just using, say, these ones for that job. There should be 6 of those, I think. Some more brushes here. Car Pro ones. These were the extra large detailing brushes. I wanted to try these. These came up on Facebook through, or it might have been Instagram, I don't remember now, through Car Pro's channel. XL brushes, nice bright orange. I liked them. So going back to the statement I made with regard to using the same brush for each job, that's why I bought these. I wanted to see what they were like. And maybe these I'll use for the external wet work stuff, or I might use these on internal. So I'm not sure yet. I'll give it time to think about it. But what I do is I'll use, to help me do what I've just explained, or tried to explain, is I use small coloured cable ties. So each brush, because I use the same brushes for various jobs, I cable tie them on the ends with different colours so that I can know what each brush is used for, so that I don't get cross-contamination, or, that sounds a bit drastic, but I think you understand what I mean. So that I'm only using one brush for external wet work and then another one for interiors, vents and stuff like that. So I use blue for engine bays, black for wheels, yellow for interiors, and green for exterior wet work, door shuts and various bits and pieces. So that's my plan. These brushes look really nice. Car Pro, make good product. These, I will think about it over the weekend, where I'm going to use each brush and really change how I do things and try and use the same brushes for each thing. Yeah, that'll work well. Might not come very well, across very well in the video, but I know what I mean. So let's see what else I've got in here. Meguiar's Last Touch Detail Spray. I know there are loads of different detail sprays on the market. This one I've used from day one, and it just works really well. Does the job it needs to do. Doesn't streak or smear. It just works well. It smells nice. I think it smells of coconut, but yeah, it smells nice. Works well, and I've always used it. I just used poured the last out last weekend. Filled up my small 500ml bottle in the van, plus my stock in the van of a litre bottle, and I topped up the bottle here. So just sort of emptied it out so I could replenish it and have a new one. So that's that. Last Touch Detail Spray, really good stuff. I don't think I said it as a gallon. It's not a gallon, not a UK gallon. I think it's, because it's an American product, it's 3.78 litres. But you know, there's still plenty in there. You don't use a huge amount of it. So, you know, that still lasts a long time. So for me, it's not just about price and quantity you're getting, it's about the quality of the product and does it work? And that does work. I do use another quick detailer by Kosh Chemi. Can't remember what it's called, but it has a product in it that removes limescale. So this is my go-to, but when I have a limescale problem, maybe on a bit of glass, on paintwork, not that I see that very often, then I'll use that. If I get some heavy limescale on glass, then I'll quite often use the limescale quick detailer remover from Kosh Chemi. I just obviously said that, and maybe a bit of clay bar. That just does a terrific job. But that's my go-to quick detailer. Last Touch, it's good stuff. What else have I got here? Kosh Chemi Insect and Dirt Remover, really good product. I use this a lot. Oh yeah, it's here. I noticed that that's a full one. I think I must have put that in there last week or the week before when I was doing a job. Took that from my stock cupboard, so I've just bought another one just for stock. It helps keep everything nice and tidy, making sure that I've always got things that I need when I might need them. So, and the fact that they're in a smaller bottle, not a 5 litre, means I like to keep stuff like that in stock. So again, very good product, I like that. Corosol, built hammer, iron fallout remover, good product. Yeah, really like it. And it still smells. Everyone knows that these things smell terrible, which is why they give them awful names like dragon's breath and stuff like that. But this one doesn't smell as bad as some of the others that I've smelled, or imagine what they smell like from YouTube videos and stuff. But yeah, does the job it's supposed to do, as I'm sure they all do. But that's, again, I was running low. I picked it up the other day. There's probably about just under a litre in it, so I decided, placing an order, I'll just get one ordered. I'm going to use it, so it doesn't really matter. That's that. So we got the 4 brushes. Yeah, I thought I'd ordered 6, but I think I did change it to 4. So, there we go. By Porto Valet. SLIMS delivery unboxing video. More videos to come.